Hi, this is Marley with MarineMax here in Pompano Beach. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on this brand new Sea Ray 37 Sundancer. This boat just came in from the factory with the triple 300s on the back. We have a white ivory interior with a dune sea deck. Nice spacious seating here in the cockpit with the Sure Shade sunshade system that's going to give you plenty of shade in the back of the boat. You also have a summer kitchen here with a grill, refrigerator, trash can, and sink here with plenty of counter space if you want to lay out some food at the sandbar. Now coming up to the helm, of course we have joystick on this boat, so it's going to make docking a lot easier. You have twin Simrad displays here and a nice Fusion Audio sound system. Now stepping into the cabin, very spacious V-berth here with a TV, tons of headroom. You're going to have another refrigerator here with a microwave and another sink. Now this boat's equipped with a separate head and shower, and then an aft berth as well. Now if you follow me up through the bow, we have a nice sturdy windshield here that pops out. Easy walk through, no step up. And then you have a very spacious bow. You can sit 4 or 5 people up here. And of course you have a windlass anchor system on this boat. If you want to come see us, come check out this boat here. It's available here at MarineMax Pompano Beach. Again, my name's Marley. Give me a call at 407-446-5990.